Okay, new pulley mounted on the old vintage drilling machine, post drill. It is an old pulley, heavy. So I cleaned it up, made a bushing for it. And you can see it right there. Perfect fit, nice and tight. So I could turn it by hand and also add a motor. So it works great. He is pretty well finished. Huh. Okay, so he's done. Except for I gotta add the motor and then have it running on power. So let's talk of old lathes. You know, they're really cool, but they do have some faults, like these kind of legs, delicate legs. And one thing I like to point out is that kind of tailstock locking. These things are always subject to cracking over time. Bad design, but well, industrial age. This one has it too. I think they all have it. The old one, the old timers. I'll tell you what I mean, Barbara. So it's got one here like that too, as well as a star lathe. Similar designs, delicate things, you know. Yeah. Wait a minute. Might have something different here. There's no crack. Somebody was smart and designed something that's kind of modern. That's excellent design. All right. Mostly they're split here. This isn't split. Cool. I'll show you also the modern design of lathes. This beast has this kind of system as well. No spacer here. Solid metal. Okay. And this one, which I used the other day, making the bushing for the drill, has this system for locking tailstock. No splits or cracks. That's very tight, very fine machine. How about this little fellow? Oh, let's see. Nope. Good design. No split in that. Okay, cool. All right, for a happening unit. Just wanted to point that out. Also, they don't have the legs like these guys have. This kind of design, as well as that design. So I like that design. Alrighty, so there you have it. This fellow, as I mentioned before 100 times, the truck is mounted. And it just needs a motor, which I have laying around. I'll get around to it eventually, like eventually getting this done. A touch of red gives it that little extra oomph in the brass. Yes, doctor. Hello, Mr. Winfield. Hello, doctor. Okay, so that's done. What else was I supposed to do? Check for a metal sample that somebody's interested in over here. And I'll do that and put the iPad down and turn this off. I'm sure I still got it.